Color of an automobile, a police stop. Hey, does it make a difference? Takes us to this week's case. Involves a real case, arose in Florida. And there was a man driving along in a Chevrolet, and the car was a bright green. Officer, who happened to notice the license plate, checked and found out that the color of the car as registered was blue. Well, he stops the vehicle, and as he stops the vehicle, lo and behold, what does he find? Traces of marijuana, traces of cocaine. The driver of the vehicle is booked on suspicion of drug trafficking and is tried on counts of drug trafficking. Well, his lawyer, during the whole proceedings, argued the whole stop, everything from the time the officer stopped him, was completely inadmissible because there was not a probable cause for the officer to stop the car. Prosecutors on the other side argued, yes, there was probable cause. Yes, there was probable cause because the registration for the vehicle was for a blue Chevrolet. This was a green Chevrolet, and something seemed amiss. Well, the case went forward. The case was first tried, then it went up on appeal, and it finally found its way to the Florida Supreme Court. And up there, the Florida Supreme Court heard both arguments. And there, the Florida Supreme Court said, well, you know what? There's nothing inherently suspicious or wrong about a vehicle having a color change. In this instance, the car had recently been painted, and that's a certainly lawful activity. And there was nothing inherent in the way in which the vehicle was being operated. It wasn't driving erratically or anything else. Therefore, there was really no reason for this officer to stop the vehicle, and since there was no reason for the officer to stop the vehicle, all of the evidence that was later used in the trial for drug trafficking is illegally obtained, and it does not come into the trial. Okay, needless to say, there was rejoicing with the defendant. But what do we learn from this case? What we learn from this case is, again, a very simple thing. Fourth Amendment of the U.S. Constitution provides there shall not be unreasonable searches and seizure. Well, what's reasonable? Is there probable cause? And here we see an instance in which those words in the abstract have to take on real concrete meaning. And in this instance, the court found stopping a car simply because the color was changed was not a probable cause. Okay, we find out once again how the Fourth Amendment really works, and it works on a case-by-case basis, and as we go forward in time, we will increasingly have a better and better understanding of how it works. We bring you this case as we bring cases every week so you understand how the law works. I'm David Allen.